You can use your blog excerpts to add introductory text to your blog list, allowing your readers to get a teaser of the blog post. In the home menu, click Pages. Navigate to a blog page. Click Edit from an existing blog post. Click Options. Click within the Post Excerpt box to add your excerpt. Some templates display the post thumbnail image along with the excerpt on the blog page. Click the image uploader to open a file selection menu and then select the file from your computer. This thumbnail will also be used when sharing your blog post on social media. For example, this is how the thumbnail will display when sharing this blog post on Facebook. To preview your blog's excerpt, click the Hide arrow to enter full preview. To have an image display along with your excerpt, you can add a promoted block to your blog post. A promoted block is a great way to set certain posts apart with a unique presentation. In the blog post editor, click on the insert point and choose an image or gallery block. Click and drag the block to move it to the top of the page. When added as the first block of an entry, the block will be promoted. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.